Hi, this is Chris from Suproc Technologies. I'm here to talk about connecting the M12 cord set from the Turbo Commander kit to a stepper-controlled proportional valve. This particular valve is made by Clippard, and it's nice because it can control very accurately the flow of fluids in an automotive application relating to turbochargers. For instance, that might be water injection. So we're going to connect this by soldering the leads. Now the colors on this model are given in their data sheet. So we've got one phase is black and red and the other is blue and green. And we've documented this in the Turbo Commander data sheet. I've got the page printed out right here with that information on it in case I need it. But all steppers are different, so do pay attention to that. We have documented some common wiring schemes with the phases, but always read the data sheet when you're connecting a stepper. Alright, so I'm going to start wiring this up, but the first thing I've done is I've cut the heat shrink tubing and I've slipped it over the wires. Don't forget to do that before you solder. And I've cut a larger piece which will act as a strain relief to go between the M12 cord set and the stepper. So I'm going to start by making some lineman knots here, and I'll probably come back when I've soldered this all up, and we'll do a little discussion of how it connects to the Turbo Commander and maybe some of the settings that are in the Turbo Commander associated with this in a subsequent video. There's also an application documented in our manual that discusses the use of a stepper-controlled proportional valve to run water injection alongside a variable geometry turbocharger. Okay, now that we've created the solder junctions, we put the heat shrink tubing over the wire junctions so that each one is insulated, and we're going to take the heat gun and then we're going to just shrink these guys down here. Nice part about this is that we don't have to worry about these picking up water or moisture in them. We're using a self-sealing heat shrink. Okay, so once those are warm, what we'll do here is we'll bunch those up so that they're in a nice tight bundle. And then we'll slip our large piece right over that to strain relieve anything. Right there off the M12 cable, and we're set. So I'm going to shrink this down, and then that's that. And here you go, the final product with the heat shrink and the proportional valve and the M12 cable. So we're all wrapped up. That's how you put together a stepper proportional valve with one of the Turbo Commander M12 cables.